Want to know how to get the most of your cooked rice? It's easier than you think. Okay, quick science. Rice is basically a starch-packed kernel with a hard outer layer. When you soak it, water moves into the grains and starts hydrating that starch. That does 7 things. 1. Soaked rice cooks faster because they're already partly hydrated. 2. Soaked rice cooks more evenly, so you don't get a mushy outside and crunchy center, so the grains stay separate instead of gluing together. 3. Soaking rice helps loosen surface starch. Soaking rice initiates starch breakdown, converting some complex carbs into simpler sugars. 4. Soaking rice helps leach out arsenic, a naturally occurring element found in rice, a Group 1 carcinogen by the World Health Organization, meaning it's known to cause cancer in humans. Rice tends to absorb arsenic from soil and water more than other crops, especially in varieties grown in certain regions of the world. 5. Soaking rice increases absorption of nutrients. Soaking rice activates natural enzymes like phytase, which break down phytic acid, a compound that blocks mineral absorption. This means your body can better absorb iron, zinc, magnesium, and other micronutrients locked inside the rice grain. 6. Soaked rice, when cooked, will have a lower glycemic impact. Soaking rice reduces the rice's glycemic index, meaning it causes a slower, steadier rise in blood sugar, especially helpful for people managing diabetes or insulin sensitivity. 7. Soaking rice improves digestibility. The enzymatic activity during soaking makes rice easier to digest, reducing bloating and discomfort. It's like giving your digestive system a head start, so the benefits of soaking rice are less cooking time, fluffier texture, fewer broken grains, even better flavor and nutrient absorption. So what is the best way to get this biochemical upgrade of your rice? Wash your rice first and then soak it. Discard the soak water. That helps lower some surface impurities, including bits of inorganic arsenic. Overnight soaking followed by rinsing can significantly reduce arsenic concentration. How long? For most white rice, like basmati or jasmine, minimum 30 minutes to 24 hours. For brown rice, a minimum of few hours to 24 hours, because it's denser and needs more time. After soaking, drain and rinse, and use slightly less cooking water than usual when cooking, and cut the cooking time, usually by about a third. For better results, add a tablespoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar in the soaking water. This enhances enzyme activation and further reduces anti-nutrients. So, in summary, soak your rice, save on cooking time, get better texture, get more nutrients, make your meals taste smarter. Try it tonight. Your next bowl of rice will be noticeably better.